Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making Origami Santa Claus. We can make two little Santa Clauses using one sheet of origami paper. I'll be cutting this paper into 4 equal squares. I need 2 squares to create one Santa Claus. One is to create the head and another one is to create the body. Make a L shape by folding half a centimeter inside as shown. Fold it approximately 1 centimeter down to create a triangle. Turn the paper and create a cone shape as demonstrated. Turn the model and fold this triangle upwards approximately 1.5 centimeter. Then do a step fold by leaving approximately 2 mm as shown. Turn the model and fold down the cap. Santa's face and cap is ready. Let's make the body. Fold half a centimeter inside in opposite sides. Now the paper will look like this. Turn the paper and fold it into half. Bring two sides to the center crease. Open the flaps approximately from the center to the sidewards as shown. These are going to be the sleeves of the dress. Now fold approximately 1 centimeter and fold it down by leaving the same gap over the pant and the shirt. Make a crease. Take little bit of glue and apply it here in a T shape. Then take the face and we can stick it slightly slant. Then we can draw the features. To make Santa stand on the table, apply little bit of glue on these 2 points and stick it as shown. Now you can open the pocket like this to make the Santa stand. Check out the description box below for more Christmas origami videos. Thank you.